What's up, guys? Brokeham back at the park today, and I'm trying out the free shot again. I think I'll include a little bit of footage from yesterday, but really I was just experimenting yesterday. Today I'm going to try and activate. So this actually, I had this in my list of things to 3D print, and then I think a couple days ago, Ham Radio Crash Course Josh dropped a video on, he printed one and tried it out, and so once I saw it in action, I was like, well, I'm going to bump this up and do this now. So this is the free shot. It's a 3D printed line launcher. So I'm out at the park. I'm going to try to do it. Probably should have printed this in different colors because it's black and it kind of looks like a firearm. So, especially from afar. But there are quite a few people in the parking lot today. I'm going to see if I can do this without getting yelled at. If I can get my spool tin out today before I have to go ahead and give it away. If you're unaware, I've reached 1,000 subscribers, so there's still time to sign up for my giveaway. Go to my website, brokeham.com, sign up for the newsletter. There's going to be more details there on how I am going to be doing this giveaway. I haven't fleshed everything out yet. I'm still reaching out to some people to see if anybody wants to contribute anything to the giveaway. But go ahead and sign up there. That's where you're going to get more information about it. So what we're going to do is if we open the bottom here, and this is one thing, is I put too many weights in here. So you can't open if you've got too many weights in there. Let me get one out. And so I'm going to go ahead. Let's turn this down so you can see my hands here. Take this line and feed it through. And I'm just going to do, let me get some slack here. I'm just going to do a simple, I don't know my knots that well. But basically this is kind of how I tie a fisherman's knot, I guess. I just twist it a couple times, stick the one end through, and then come back around. And it's kind of like a figure eight kind of thing. I don't know. It should be good enough for what I'm doing. You know, this isn't, it's not permanent, and it's not meant to be super strong. So yeah, that's not going to go anywhere. So basically how this works, if you haven't seen his video, is you're going to drop this in here, and then this is elastic, so you're going to grab the ball from in here, and you're going to shoot that, and it's going to let it go up into a tree. And then you can attach your antenna to it. Well, they recommend attaching an arborist line, and I've got some with me, but I'm actually just going to try using this line because I'm going to try and make this really quick. And then you hoist it up, you know, using whatever line you've decided to put in the tree. I'm going to try using this one. So that's way up there. We will try. Okay. And, you know, that did pretty good. Activate. So let's flip this camera around. So got my free shot sitting right here, and I got a branch that's kind of way up there, hold my line all the way down. I don't have nearly as many spectators today, so got the line coming. It is coming under here quite a bit. I don't feel like dragging the table out, but there's my spool antenna feed line down here to the trusty G90. Honestly, I just like using this in the field more. It's my pack is so small and light. I am just a lot more comfortable with it. So let's see if I can knock out a quick activation. I'm not doing any kind of fancy testing where I'm band hopping and all that stuff. I'm gonna run through the spots once, and then I'll probably put something on. I'll probably try like 15 or 20, and we'll go from there. Yeah. So I'm sure 318. Is this frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? K8ARH. Is this frequency in use? Nothing heard. CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is Kilo 8 Alpha Romeo Hotel calling CQ POTA. CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is Kilo 8 Alpha Romeo Hotel calling CQ POTA.
Whiskey 4 Sierra Mike Alpha.
Was that Whiskey 6 Sierra Mike Alpha?
Whiskey 4 Sierra Mike Alpha.
Whiskey 4 Sierra Mike Alpha?
Yourself.
Hey, I got you. You are 5 by 9 into Ohio, Oscar Hotel. Where are you at?
5 by 8 and Fox Lima.
Kilo 5 Kilo Alpha Zulu Foxtrot.
Kilo 5 Kilo Alpha Zulu Foxtrot. What was that? Kilo 5 station?
Kilo 5 Kilo Alpha Zulu. QSL?
I think I got you, Chuck. This is Andrew in Ohio, Oscar Hotel. I got you 5'9".
You're also a 5'9". My car. US 1928 1928, and I got a second operator for you.
QSL the 1928. Go ahead with the second op.
Kilo Romeo 4, Kilo Romeo Whiskey, same top, same report.
All right, Kilo Romeo 4, Kilo Romeo Whiskey. I also got you at 5'9" into Oscar Hotel, Park US 1972.
73, and great activation, thank you.
73, guys. QRZ. Super! And Park to Park. Let's go.
Whiskey 5 and Mike a Kilo Sierra.
Whiskey 5, Mike Kilo Sierra. I got you 5 by 9 into Ohio, Oscar Hotel.
QSL Andrew 5757 North Texas. Have a great day.
Thank you very much, Michael. You have a great day as well. QSL the 57.
73.
73. QRZ.
Whiskey 5 Delta Romeo Tango QRZ.
Kilo 8 Alpha Romeo Hotel, Park to Park.
Kilo 8 Alpha Romeo, holy, man, I'll get my tongue straight in a minute. Kilo 8 Alpha Romeo Hotel, Andrew, Park to Park, got you 5'7". My park is Uncle Sam 3051, QSL?
QSL the 3051, and buddy, I got you like a 5 over on my side here in Oscar Hotel.
Hey, thanks from Ohio. You got a park number?
Yes, sir. Park US 1972.